What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I got something really quick to show you. I'm just going to show you how to consolidate sample chops. That way you can get it into one waveform. So let's get right into it. So for example, if in your playlist you have a bunch of chops like this and they're not all together as one waveform, so the only way you would be able to move them is if you highlighted all of them. But actually what you can do is consolidate the track so all of these chops get consolidated into one waveform, and then you don't have to worry about missing some when you try to select it. So to do this, all you got to do is have it on a track, right click that track and go to consolidate track, and you can either do from track start or from song start. We'll just do from track start to track end, and then the rendering settings are going to pop up. We'll just make sure trim PDC silence is on, enable insert effects is on, enable master effects is on. And then you can also have save playlist markers and save loop markers, but make sure split mixer tracks is not on. All right. And then all these other settings, that's up to you if you want that. All right, we can get rid of all those chops, and now we have it all in one consolidated waveform. So this is really helpful when you have a lot of sample chops. Just consolidate those samples down so you don't got to accidentally miss some when you're trying to drag it over or whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.